Okay. Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to our conversation for SKL English. Okay, and I'm very happy to be here today. My name is Zaki, and I will be the moderator today. Are going to talk about something very meaningful. Our topic today is message and impression after 1 year at the Polytechnic IDN. We are all students at the Polytechnic IDN, which is located is Jonggol, Bogor. That is a very special campus, and we have a lot to share. Before we start, let me introduce our two speakers. First, let me introduce Abdillah. Abdillah, can you please introduce yourself to everyone?
Yes, of course. Hey everyone, my name is Ardila. I'm a student at Polytechnic IDN in Jonggol, Bogor. I'm currently in my second year, but today I want to talk about my first year. My first year at Polytechnic IDN was really amazing and full of learning. I come here not knowing anything about programming or technology, but now, after 1 year, I can build apps and websites. It feels surreal. I'm so grateful to be student here. I love this campus. Thank you for inviting me to this conversation, Jackie.
Thank you so much, Abdullah. It sounds like an incredible journey. Okay, next we have Deandra. Okay, Deandra, please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone. I am very happy to be here. My name is Diandra, and I am also a student of Polytechnic IDN, just like Abdillah. I am also in my second year now. I want to share my experience from the first year when I first came to Polytechnic IDN. I was nervous and exit, exited, and the same time I did not know what to expect. Everything was new to me. But after 1 year, I have grown so much, and I am very proud of that. I am looking forward to sharing my story today. Thank you, Jackie.
Okay, thank you, Deandra, with introduction for both of you. And so today, Abdillah and Deandra will share their experience, challenges, and the messages. Messages, okay, not messages, okay, not message, okay. We hope this conversation is useful for everyone who is watching, okay. Whether you are a new student, a current student, or even an alumni, okay. Let's start our conversation. Are you both ready? Okay. Abdullah, ready?
Yes,
Dandra, ready?
ready, Captain.
Ready? Let's go.
Okay. All right. Let's start with the first topic. The question is what is your impression after 1 year at the Polytechnic IDN? Abdullah, can you start? What do you feel after 1 year?
Sure. My impression after 1 year is wow and just wow. I learned a lot in 1 year, more than I expect when I first come here. When I started, I thought college would be difficult and boring, but Polytechnic TN is different. The learning here is very practical. We don't just read a book, we actually build things, real things. In my first semester, I learned the basic of programming. I learned how to think like a programming, how to solve problems step by step. Then in my second semester, I started learning Flutter. Flutter is a framework to build mobile apps using the Dart language. At first, it's hard, but after practice, I started to understand. And now I can build a real Flutter apps. I can make apps to run on the phone. I also learned Firebase. Firebase is platform on Google. Firebase helped me store data, manage user, and connect the app to the internet. And I learned how to deploy website using Vercel. Vercel let you put your website on the internet for free. It is very powerful. So in just 1 year, I learned Flutter app Firebase Vercel development. This is something I never imagined I could do before coming here. Campus lives here is also very active. There are many activities ev- every week. Workshop, seminar, group project, presentation, it is very boring. I feel I like grow a lot, not just in skill, but also in confidence.
Okay. Wow, it is really impressive. Flutter Firebase for sale in 1 year. Okay, that's a lot, bro. And it sounds like campus life very exciting too. Okay, um, Dendra, your throne. What is your impression after 1 year?
Thank you, Jackie. My
Yeah,
impression is
welcome.
similar to Abdullah, but also a little different. For me, 1 year Polytechnic EDN felt like a transformation. I came here someone who had never written a single line of code in my life. I was scared. I thought, am I smart enough for this? Can I do this? But the environment here is very supportive. The teachers are patient and keen. They explain things slowly and clearly. They never make you feel stupid. In the first few weeks, I just listen and tried to understand. Then I started to practice. I code a little every day. Slowly, I began to understand the logic. I started to enjoy coding. I learned a lot in 1 year. Flutter, Firebase, basic web development, and the campus live here is amazing. It is very active and fun. Every week there is something happening, a workshop, a meeting, a group task. I made I met many new friends or people from different background. We study together, help each other, and motivate each other. That community feeling. That is what I love about Polytechnic. After 1 year, I feel more capable, more confident, and more grateful. I am grateful that I chose Polytechnic then best decision of my life.
Yeah, that's beautiful, Andra. Um, a transformation that is a perfect word for it. Okay, it sounds like both of you had a very meaningful for shares.
Yes, Basically, every day was a learning experience.
Agreed, even the hard days through something valuable.
I love that. And okay, let's move to the next topic. Okay, the next topic. What is your most memorable moment for your first year? This time, Dandra will go first. And Dandra, what moment do you remember the most?
Oh, I have so many memorable moments, but I will share the most important on my first most memorable moment was finishing my very first project. My first project was a login UI. It was a simple login page for a mobile app. It had a username field, a password field, and a login button. Very basic. But for me at that time, it was hook. It had I had never booked anything before. I spent their days working on it. I made many mistakes along the way. Sometimes the layout was broken, sometimes the button did not work. Uh, but I keep trying. I search online, I ask my teacher, I ask my friend, and finally on the third day it worked. The login page looked exactly right. Pressed the button and I respond. I almost cried. I was so happy. I showed it to my teacher. He smiled and said, "Good job, Andra. Keep it up." That moment gave me so much confidence. I thought I can do this. My second memorable moment was my BMI calculator project. BMI stand for Body Mass Index. It is a tool to check if your weight is healthy. Build a Flutter app where you input your height and weight. The app, mm, the app calculates your BMI and tells you if you are underweight, normal, or overweight. The project taught me how to write logic in Coda, how to use if-else statement. It was harder than the login UI, but I learned so much more from IT. And my dear and biggest memorable moment, my first website developed on Vercel. I built a simple personal website. It had my name, my photo, and my project. I followed the step to deploy it on Vercel. I copied the link. I opened it, and it was my website live on the internet, accessible to anyone in the world. I sat there for a minute just staring at the screen. I could not believe it. I called my mom. I said, "Mom, I made a website. Look at this link." So opened it on her phone. She said, "Wow, you really made this." That moment in felt super. All the hard work was worth it. Also, I meet so many amazing people. People who love technology, who love building things. It was inspiring.
Whoa, Andra, the story about calling your mom that gave me goosebumps. Okay. first website deployed and you share it with your family. That's so sweet, Andra. So sweet. Okay. I got Ghostable too. That's such a beautiful story, Andra. Okay. And okay, Abdillah, your turn. What is your most memorable moment?
Alright, although I have many memorable moments for my first year, my first memorable moment is launching my first project, the project launching UI. When I first saw the assignment, I thought, how do I even start? I opened my code editor and just started the blank screen of 10 minutes. Then my teacher said, just start. Worth anything, do be afraid. So I started, I worked the first line of Flutter Code, then the second, then more. It took me 4 days to finishing to the launching UI, but when it was done, I was amazed. I looked at the chat on my phone and I thought, wow, I actually built this. In my second memorable moment in the PayMe calculator, I had to learn how to the calculator value in the code, how to take input from the user, how to display the result. It was like solving a real puzzle. When the calculator final gave the correct result and I remembered my fifth in the air, my third and the most memorable moment was deploying my first website. I built simple website about my hobby. I used HTML, CSS at the first. Then I learned to connect in the backend and deploy in the website. The process was tricky. I made several mistakes during deployment, but the teacher guided me step by step. He said, check the setting, fix the line, and then suddenly it worked. My website was live on Vercel. I kept my website address in the browser. I pressed enter. It updated and perfectly. I stood up from my chair. I think I even jumped a little. Ha ha ha. When the alumni cheers, it was just a joyful moment. I started the link everywhere. Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Attending workshop with was also very meaningful for me. In the workshop, I met senior students who had already worked the project. They they shared their stories, they shared their eyes. It motivated me so much. I thought if they can do it, we can do it too. I just need faith in awe.
Okay. Abdillah, you jumped all of your child. That's realistic and amazing at the same time. Okay.
I can imagine that I also want to jump where men work.
It sounds like deploying the first website was a huge milestone for both of you.
Yes, it is just like a crossing a finish line for the first time.
Exactly.
What?
No, no, no. Exactly. Once you deploy something, you feel like a real developer.
That's such a powerful feeling at the workshop. Okay, I agree. And they are so inspiring, everyone. And yeah, okay, good stories for for yours, my friend. And I think this is a best part. In our podcast here, we have the talkers for Polytechnic Idaan with Abdullah and Andra. And I say thank you for your for your stories, Abdullah and Andra. Thank you.
Yes,
It's the
yes,
best
thank you.
story
Yes.
and the good story and a perfect story. And I think I have one stories, a little stories about this. Yeah. If I want, if first time I'm uh going to a polytechnic then uh we have the event. The name is what? Wasbang, Wasbang. And Wasbang, we have the camping, and we're walking from IDN to camping area with maybe 13 kilometer walking with the sandals, okay? And we have something times with our military what the soldiers? Okay, yeah, this is my story. The story is best memorable in the my polytechnic. Okay, I think the time is out here. Uh, Now the time for closing, and the last I say thank you for everyone watching and listening our uh, conversation. And I say thank you for stories and for 1 year in Polytechnic Tech in the end for to Abdullah and Andra. And okay, uh, maybe we talk in the next time. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.